Hello guys, welcome back to our web and internet technology series. In this video, we will explore the chapter 2, HTML, XML and CGI scripts, the foundation of the web development. HTML is a building block of the web pages, defining their structure and the content. XML is used for the data storage and exchange, making it a key component in the modern web applications. We will also discuss CGI scripts which enable dynamic web content and interaction with the servers. Understanding these technologies is essential for web developers and IT professionals. We will break down each topic in a simple and easy to understand way. So whether you are a beginner or need to a quick revision, this video is for you. Stay with us as we dive into the world of web technologies. So let's get started. At first, the HTML, hypertext markup language, is the standard language for creating the web pages. It uses the tags to define the elements like the headings, paragraphs, links, and images. The most common HTML tags include, you can say, the 6 heading format H1 to H6 for headings, P for paragraphs. HTML editors like the VS Code, Sublime Text, and Notepad++ help developers to write and format the HTML code efficiently. Attributes such as href for linking in the web pages and src for the images provide the additional information to the elements. Means the web pages is divided into multiple elements, and after that under the elements we have attributes to change the functionalities or change the design pattern of the element. HTML allows structuring the web content in a readable format. Modern HTML versions like the HTML5 introduce new elements for better functionality. Understanding the HTML basics is the first step in the web development. HTML provides the several formatting options to enhance the web content like tags like the bold, I tag, U tag, and are used for bold, italic, and underline the text. Links tag, anchor tag to connect the web pages, table tag to organize the data into the rows and the columns. List come in the ordered, OL or UL, and unordered formats to present the information clearly. HTML layouts use the divs, sections, CSS styles to create the structured design. CSS controls the look and the feel of the web page, allowing the customization of the fonts, colors, spacing, shadows, borders. Combining the HTML with CSS ensures the professional, visually appealing websites. Okay. So now the HTML forms, iframes, color, and the image maps. Forms in HTML allow the users to interaction through the text fields, checkbox, and radio buttons and submit buttons. The form element contains the input, text area, select elements for the data collection. Iframes embed other web pages within the web page. HTML also provides the different ways to define the colors using the color names, hex code, RGB values. Image maps allow users to click on different parts of an image, leading to different links. Using the map and area tags, developer can create interactive images. Okay, so these features enhance the user experience on the modern websites. So now, XML, extensible markup language. It is used for storing and transporting the data in a structured format. Unlike HTML, XML does not have predefined tags. Developers create custom tags based on data needs. XML follows a strict syntax where each opening tag must have a closing tag. Elements contain the data while attributes provide the additional details. Like that, just like HTML. But XML documents can validate it using the DTD. You already know about DTD in the multimedia series. DTD is the document type definition, or XSD, XML schema definition, to ensure the correct structure. XML is widely used in the web services, APIs, and data exchange between the different platforms. It helps to organize the data efficiently for various applications. XHTML, So extensible HTML is the stricter version of the HTML following the XML syntax rules. Okay, it ensures that web pages are well formed and compatible with various browsers. XHTML requires the lowercase tags, proper nesting and attributes values enclosed with quotes. It improves the accessibility and consistency across the web applications. XHTML follows the same structure as HTML but enforces the stricter coding standard. While HTML5 has largely replaced the XHTML, its principles are still useful for writing the clean and error-free code. So you can say understanding the XHTML helps the developers to create a well-structured, standards compliant web pages. So now CGI script, Common Gateway Interface. Common Gateway Interface scripts enable the dynamic content on the web pages by interacting with servers. These scripts are often written in the Perl, Python or PHP to handle the form submission and database queries. Environment variables store the session related data such as user input, server details. The data is transferred between the client and the server using the get and the post method. The get method appends the data to the URL, while the post method sends the data securely in the request body. CGI scripts allow the web applications to process and display the user specific content dynamically. They are an essential part of the server side programming. So let's conclude our session on HTML, XML and CGI scripts. We explored how HTML structures the web pages, XML organizes the data and CGI scripts enable the dynamic web content. These technologies are essential for web development and data exchange. Mastering them will give you a strong foundation in building the interactive web applications. In our next chapter, we will dive into the Perl, JavaScript and cookies and Java applets, key technologies for web programming. If you enjoyed this session, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more. Have any questions or doubt, you can comment below. Okay, so keep practicing and stay curious. See you in the next video. Also, you can follow the Atul Kahate's web programming or web technologies book. We already shared in the first slide of our video. Okay.